Welcome back to my channel.
Elijah already go in the back?
No? Welcome back to my channel, and we are at the house where we're going to see fireworks.
Are you scared?
Yeah. Because I don't remember being here in my life.
You have.
Not.
You don't remember?
No.
Oh, okay, sorry. You were here.
Oh, yeah, I remember this.
Yeah.
That, like, school right there, we would see the fireworks from my parents, and we played tag with, like, those random kids.
You want to play? You want to play tag?
Yeah, tag break. Tag break. Sure. Tag break. Elijah. I almost dropped my phone. Y'all, this is a tag break. How do you run so fast? Say. Elijah, wanna go play that? Come on, please. Come on. Hi. Dang it. Dang it, you shoot me. Elijah. Elijah, wave. Wave. Do this. Please. Dang it! How do you keep falling for that?
Same age as Jared. Put it on.
How do I keep falling for that? Okay, I'm done. I'm out of breath, Elijah.
Cody, do you want to practice? Cody wants to practice round. You want to practice round?
Let's go in it.
Let's go.
Just.
We ain't got time.
Fuck! Cody's like, fuck!
Yeah, it don't matter.
You'll figure out the distance.
He's got it.
Figure out the distance.
Gotta find that free spot. We're good. She found it. 5 They're 5. That's 5. I got at least 2. All right. 2. T-spot.
Why are you filming? Because I can. I'm filming the fireworks, but I'm taking a break.
You have problems. 2 done.
No, I
Do
don't.
nothing.
I'm doing a full do it.
Crazy. I got 2 in. I only got 2 for one.
Y'all, game break.
Wait, I thought you guys
Oh.
were red. Hey, you guys were red.
We were red, but it's okay.
It's okay. It's fine
We'll
though.
flip it. We're good.
It's fine.
Maybe not.
Well, I mean,
It don't matter.
Ah, well, 5. We're already here. I got 3. So,
Are you red?
what I red?
Or red then?
We got 5.
So we got points.
5-0.
So I go.
Yep.
Park break. Hey, Zachary. Can you bring us to the park? Me and him want to go to the park. I'm not filming.
oh.
Please. Because fireworks are for like another hour. Aiden, you wanna come? Please. Please, Zachary. No. I'm filming myself.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, why not? Let's go.
Okay. There's a gate right there. There's a gate right there.
We met the other night at the party, but I think everybody was a little.
My dad's girlfriend, her mom has a camper around there, so. Did you get to go?
Oh my gosh! Guess who I seen last night up
Zach's
there?
taking me and
This little
Ariel's
boy comes up to me and he's like, "You remember me?"
Okay, we could go.
I'm Ann. This is Rick. We're Parker's parents.
Come on. No, there's a gate right there, Zachary. There's a gate right there.
You walk right there. You walk through there and
I know the way to the park. Zachary, I know the way to the park that used to be my old school. Well, second old school.
Alright, let's go.
By the way, just telling you I touched you, you're tagged. There's this.
I'll pull it off from here.
oh, that would make a lot more sense, now wouldn't it?
There you go.
Get in the way.
No, I'm not done.
Okay, let's go. I know the way to the park.
That's it.
No, you don't. Not in my world.
Yeah, I do.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's right through there.
Mm-mm.
Is there a little walkway right there? Yeah.
Mm-mm. I swear, if I see Maddie there, I'm gonna kill her.
Who's Maddie?
A friend from there that freaking I hate.
Why?
She's a freaking not allowed to say on because this is a friendly family
friendly?
channel. So
Why?
because it is.
Why?
Because it is.
Because why?
Because I want it to.
Wait, is this where?
Yeah. See that right there? We walk through and then it leads us to the park.
You guys were just talking about the school park.
Where's this right here?
I usually go to the other park.
Where's that at? Never been to that one.
Oh, I have.
I've only ever been to
I have for a field trip.
It's got a volleyball court with actual sand. It's got
People,
basketball.
there's people here.
Not really.
I swear, if there's people I know. They have a Gaga pit, by the way. Yeah, this park is big. No, Elijah, it's right over here. No, it's right over here. I don't know how, so. Because I don't, and I swear, I hate. They have a Gaga pit, by the way. I went to school here. Why is there a freaking guy looking like a girl? Look at that guy's shirt. Right there, that kid. Right there, playing basketball. Right over here. Here's the park. We're at the park.
No, we're at a public place. Stop recording.
Okay, see ya.
We can get in trouble for that.